everyone. Welcome to another edition of Friday Fastbacks, the gratuitous March Madness episode. I'm your host, Josh Kerbach, and today we're talking about some of the exciting things going on here at Original One. I do apologize, I haven't seen you guys in a while. That's because we've been working on so many new and exciting rollouts here at Original One, we just haven't had much time for the studio. So, one of the things I want to talk to you about today is our products that are coming out. We're getting ready to launch our axle assemblies. So far, the feedback's been phenomenal. The customers love what they're getting, and we're excited to bring it as well as many other exciting product lines to you in the upcoming months. We've added some new faces in-house as well as some new voices on the phone, and we're extremely excited for you guys to meet them. We've revamped our brochures and our flyers as we've been adding some new platforms, Autotext, HyperQuest, and we want to make it as easy as possible for you guys to add Original One parts. We're super jacked about the launch of our e-commerce site, so anyone and everyone can buy quality products from OriginalOneParts.com. So everyone, please tune in over the next couple of weeks so you can see some new product, meet some new faces, see some new platforms, and teaser, see some new spaces. Thank you for joining us for another edition of Friday Fastbacks, and remember, it's not just a part of the box, it's the Original One. And remember, it's not just a part of the box, it's the Original One. It's the Original One. It's the Original One. It's the Original One. It's the Original One.